What is happening, guys? Thank you for pressing play on my video. It's your boy DJ and welcome to my channel. Now, the purpose of this channel is purely to provide an educational platform for beginner DJs to take the right steps on their DJ career. Now, I started DJing 21 years ago, and believe me, when I started DJing, it was pretty simple. There was 2 decks, there was 2 vinyl, there was a mixer, a pair of headphones, and I just got to work. But I appreciate today there are multiple options for a DJ to start DJing. Okay, is it going to be on a controller? Is it going to be on decks? Are you going to keep it old school and stay on the vinyl? It's completely up to you, but I want to help you guys make the right decisions and educate you throughout your first steps on your DJ career. Now, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and make sure that you press the notification bell, because I'm going to be posting 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, you do not want to miss out on the content that I'm going to be providing. Now, here's 2 things that you should do. You should go and join my DJ Mastermind group on Facebook. The link is in the description. And the second thing you should do is go and get my free ebook that I've made for you guys. Purely for free, guys. You just need to download it, and the link again is in the description, and that's all based around how to market yourself as a DJ. Now, obviously, we're living in the digital era, guys, and things are done differently. Social media is so powerful, and if you can market yourselves properly as a DJ, trust me, you're going to really benefit from that. But we're going to keep it super simple. I'm not going to chuck you in at the deep end. So that's all I'm going to say for now. Make sure you plug into the videos. Make sure you reach out to me on social media if you have any questions. And let's get into it, guys.